Module 1. An Introduction to Copyright Literacy for Ontario College Employees. This video simplifies a very complex subject. This video is not a substitute for legal advice, which should be sought in cases where the application of general principles is unclear. Hi there, and welcome to the Ontario College's Copyright Literacy modules. We're here to introduce you to the exciting world of copyright. Okay, maybe exciting isn't exactly the right word, but understanding the legal side of using copyright-protected materials is an important part of teaching at a college. What sort of everyday activities are governed by copyright law? Things like scanning a book chapter for your online courses, photocopying a newspaper article to use for an exam, or showing a YouTube video in the classroom. A lot of the material you copy is probably protected by copyright, which means someone owns the legal rights to how that material is copied or used. There are lots of good reasons to make sure you adhere to copyright law, but let's start with 3. 3 good reasons to observe copyright in my teaching. 1. To respect the rights of creators or owners of works. 2. To ensure my college and I are not liable for copyright infringement. 3. To model good copyright and academic honesty behavior for my students. If you feel you already know a lot about copyright, you might be surprised at how much has changed for educators since summer 2012. Canada has an updated Copyright Act, which was brought into force in November 2012, and in an important Supreme Court decision about fair dealing in July 2012. Both have changed the way you can copy for your students. These modules were created to teach you about copyright law and explain how the changes affect you as an educator. We've broken down each section into short lessons, so you don't have to do it all in one go. You will begin with the general modules, which provide an overview on copyright basics. Then move on to the practical modules, which are, well, more practical. They address the how-tos rather than the whys and wherefores. Many of the modules will refer to your online course or learning management system. You might know these systems by names, such as Desire to Learn or Blackboard, or your college may have its own name for these systems. Whatever the name, a course management system is the system your college makes available to you for online, distance learning, or hybrid courses. Oh, and one last important note. Well, it's the most important note. The information in these modules is a general overview, but you'll have to understand how to follow your college's copyright practices. Your college may refer to them as copyright guidelines or copyright policies and procedures. Every college develops copyright practices suited to its particular situation. If you're not sure what your college practices are, ask the person designated by your college to answer copyright questions. Your college library is a great place to start. Now you're ready to begin learning about the world of copyright. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.